Say hi. Oh, thanks, love. Hey friends, how's it going? Welcome back to this channel. My name's Maggie. If you're new here, I typically post videos 2 to 3 times a week from lifestyle, recipes, vlogs, adventures, and anything that I find would be interesting to document. Today what I am bringing to you is a new recipe, and it's to do with this red lentil panini pasta, and so I'm very excited to show you that. And if you hear somebody scratching in the background, it's Otto, of course. Yes, you're scratching? Yeah. Alright, so that's what we're gonna do. So without further ado, let's get to it. So right here I have some water already boiling. And I feel like the pasta cooks better once the water is boiled and you put the pasta in there. And then picked up this red lentil panini pasta, and that's going to be our main entree course. So I'm just going to let that cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. Alright, and then at the end I'm going to add this garlic salt from Trader Joe's into the pot, and that's because I didn't add any salt previously to the sauce, so this way I add it and actually see how much I'm adding, and I'm going to taste it once I mix it up and then see how I like it, and I could always add additional salt if I'd like. Completed the delicious creamy tomato pasta. I really hope you guys try it out, and if you do, don't forget to let me know how you like it. The only difference that I will do next time probably is do half of a lemon rather than a whole juice of a lemon, because that, you know, lemons are very acidic. But I am going to do the final taste test on camera and let you guys know what I think. Alright, so my final thoughts. The sauce came out very creamy, it's very rich, and the pasta is cooked to perfection. Sometimes I'll cook pasta and I need to cook it a few minutes longer or a few minutes less, but today it came on point. I also paired the pasta with some broccoli and a little bit of corn for sweetness. And that is the dish and recipe for today. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys. Not his balls in my dish. Yeah, you're gonna put his balls in my dish when I'm trying to eat here.